Welcome back to Gaia's English Garden. Today we will review the future perfect tense. When and how to use the future perfect tense? The future perfect tense is used to express future goals and predictions. And to express this, we use the form subject plus will have plus past participle plus a future time expression. For example, he will have been living abroad for 3 years before she gets married in 2027. Subject plus will have plus past participle plus future perfect. She will have gotten her driver's license before the end of the year. She, subject, plus will have, plus past participle, gotten her driver's license. Complement. Let's practice together. Review the following sentence and identify the parts needed to create a future perfect sentence. I will have won the race before I received my award. Let's review the answer. I will have won the race before I receive my award. I, subject, plus will have, plus past participle, won the race before I receive my award. Future time. Hey, let's review. Now you can use the future perfect tense in your everyday English using the form subject plus will have plus past participle plus future time for all of your future plans and predictions. Here are more examples. They will have read 3 books by the next exam. She will have cooked lunch before church. Number 3, we will have learned a lot by the end of this lesson. And number 4, I will have sung so many songs before I become famous. Right, for more practice, join the mailing list in the description box to receive a free practice and mini quiz to test your knowledge and what you have learned in this lesson. Don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel for more short and understandable lessons. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. Bye!